Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark using InShot video editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to open up the project I have just created, this one. And for example, I'm going to remove this text or this watermark from my video. Okay, first thing first, I'm going to duplicate this video. Click on the video and then you're going to choose the duplicate option. Where is it? Okay, this one. And I'm going to make it as an overlay. So I'm going to choose switch. Okay, and make sure that the second video is aligned with the first video. And I'm going to use mask. We can go to the mask and choose one of the mask, and I'm going to choose let's try this circle mask, and then you can adjust the size. Okay, and you're going to take another part of this video to cover the watermark. I'm going to take this part and I'm going to click on the check mark. Then we can drag the mask and cover the unwanted watermark. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And I'm going to adjust the feather to make it more natural. You can use this button to adjust the feather like this. Okay, and click on the check mark and keep adjusting until you're satisfied. Okay, and to make it more natural, you can also use filter or adjustment. I'm going to go to the filter and select the adjustment, and I'm going to adjust the lightness just a little bit. Okay, and it's done. As you can see that the watermark has been removed from my video. But of course, this trick can't be applied to all type of video, especially when the video has complicated backgrounds or complicated objects. Of course, you cannot apply it. But at least here, I tell you how you can cover unwanted object or unwanted text from your video. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove watermark from your video using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.